Hope everybody's had a good day today. I was just getting off work and getting back home. I was playing with Rosie. She's running around chasing birds. But my sister went back to Nashville. She lives in Nashville, and she was home for the weekend. And then my parents are both at their apartment for probably till Thursday. I don't know. And so anyway, I was just coming home. Thought it was a pretty day. I had yard sale all day, and then I tried to work on some a pressure washer and I guess it's a water pump that's just like you can pump water out of a pond and stuff. And those wasn't working. I tried to clean them up, but they still need a little work done to them. But that was about the extent of the day. I planned on going tomorrow to get my pressure washer one fixed, or get a new one and get parts for the other one or something. But I broke it the other day and just needed to run by and see if I could maybe part it together, and if not, just order one. But I plan on doing that tomorrow. I got a doctor's appointment in the morning too, and then maybe if I get back I can do some pressure washing, catch up. But I had carried it to the shop today to see if maybe we had some parts to fix it, but we didn't have anything. So anyway, but I'll figure it out. It won't be no big deal. But I'll let you go. I'm gonna play with Rosie for a minute and figure out what I'm gonna do for supper. But anyway, hope you had a good day, and I will see you again tomorrow.